So I actually have on my other monitor the other assignments that we need to worry about, or the other traces, so that way I don't lose track. I'm also whispering a bit because it's late, and so I have people sleeping around me. But number one, a single line trace and blueprint. Here you are. I'm gonna show mainly like what actually shoots out as opposed to the beginning, because the beginning is just gonna be the same thing. But basically, it just shoots it, and when I hit something, it'll print the location and the name with this type of format. Number two is a single line trace for objects. I believe it is this same deal. This time it's going through making sure if it's one of these two, it'll hit it. Number three is a multi-line trace. Here you are. This one I believe is running a for loop, so for all of them it's going to print out the name. Number four is a shape trace. I think I did a spear trace for this one. Yeah, same deal. Wherever it lands, I believe it shoots a spear on collision. Number five is a trace of my choice, and so I chose a capsule trace by channel, so it's just shoot out a capsule as the line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the first five now, so you don't forget later on. Alright, let's see here. So one is the normal trace. I hit nothing because that's a specific type of cube. Two, let's see here. There we go. It makes whatever I touch bigger, because it was asking for a type of visual indicator. So in that case, it's that. I'll go ahead and restart this, that way I can work with the other things. Alright, number three. Number four is an invisible thing, but I'm pretty sure if you actually, there you go, it'll shoot the spear on contact. Five is the spear that I mentioned. And it'll keep going forever, but in this case, whenever it hits something specific, it'll actually delete the thing. Oh, actually got it. Alright. Let me see one other thing. I think, yeah, that's what I thought. Add to compile, because it seems like it doesn't actually remember the changes I did in code unless you compile it at least once, which is kind of funny to me. Shouldn't take too long. Sweet. Alright, let me go ahead and bring up the... There we go. Alright, so now shoot the things. Yep, alright. Let's see. So number 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. Alright. I'll show the code for it. So as we learned a while ago, this needs to be false in order for it to work, so stop that. So I did a bunch of traces here, put it underneath the trace name, made all the functions here. I think that's really it on that side. At the very top, we hook up all of the bind actions, and I believe that's it for that part. And then if we actually start to go down a bit, we'll start to see the traces. So number 6. Number 6 is a single multi-channel or object trace. It's basically just it just displays the name of the thing that just got hit. So here you go. This is standard. I actually made the start a thing in here so that we don't have to call it or define it every time. Number 7 is another trace of my choice. In this case, it'll shoot a spear on the location. I had to use this, and then it'll draw a debug spear once it actually hits on collision. And here are the little things. I have to start doing it like this because these things are too long. Number 8 is a multi-line trace. So I did let's see here. Yeah, here it goes. So I put in a t-array for the results, and if the length of the results, meaning if it hit at least one thing, it'll print the name of each thing. So that's what this is. Number 9, another trace different from the previous 3. I had to actually write down what traces I already did because I was starting to lose track of them. It'll make a visual change to it. So I believe in this case I just actually destroyed the actor. Apparently you can't just do hit result destroy. Apparently for a reason that's a bool. So you have to do it like this. I don't know why. Alright, number 10 is a shape trace of my choice. I believe I just did a spear trace and I just printed out the name as usual. Yeah. So. Number 6. What? There you go. Goes in and does that. Number 7. It's missing because it's asking for specific stuff. As you can kind of see, it's shooting a like a spear on like whatever it's hitting with. That's not like an overlay or whatever. Alright, number 8 is I believe it's yeah, this is it. It displays the name. There you go. Let's try to get the thing. Basically, it just collides it. It shoots all the names of it at the same time. I'll do it one more time. There you go. Alright, number 9 is a change. It's funny how that looks, honestly. It just deletes whatever it hits, really. Number 10 is this crazy looking spear thing. Yeah. Funny though, it's not turning green. I think it's because it's going further, so it doesn't actually like show it. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah. But yeah, those were the traces.